All right, Chris, so we took what you started with, E major, you played A major, you played C sharp minor, and we just took we said, let's take some chords from the key of A, but let's pick on E as our main chord. So if E is the fifth chord in the key of A, and we focus on the fifth mode, that's called Mixolydian. So E Mixolydian just means I'm using the notes from A major, but with E as a root. And then I kind of did a little slip slide to one side here, and I started playing actually in the key of E. But besides that, I can play E major pentatonic stuff. So right here, that's like playing C sharp minor, but with E as the root. So I played E, D, A. Only I changed it to your voicing that you used. That's an E, first inversion. In other words, the G sharp's on the bottom. Then I moved that down to a D, and then I played like an A add 9 or A sus2. In other words, I played open E and B if I want. Now, because I have this, that's 1, 5, 4, 3. So here, what's that from? Oh, from here. So I got like these two are from here, those two are from that. It's all basic stuff. Ooh. E, D, and then A here. Then I went, that's like number 5. When I do this, I can play the low E, of course, and then all of these notes. Right? Let me move back again. What's that?
G?
No, it's A.
Yeah.
Another A. So I'm just bullshitting my way through this. I'm playing A like this, then this, then this. You did it like this. That would have been a good choice too if I would have went. That's good. And then now I switched to the key of E and I went B. A, E, B, A, C sharp minor, and then I went A major, A minor, back.
Smoke and mirrors.
So, C sharp minor. E minor pentatonic, E major. Listen. Now, what did I do at the end?
Is it kind of like a blues?
Well, at the end, I played a C sharp, then a C, then a B. How did that work? Not a blues. It's because when I played the A major, there's a C sharp in it. A minor has a C natural, and then E has a B. So I kind of cheated there too. I went, only because I know what notes are in the chords can I get away with that. You know? But it's all major and minor stuff. All that stuff, I'm thinking about this chord. What's that? Number 1. 2, 1, 5. What was that? Well, E major, F sharp minor. And if I do it that way, it sounds like a Bobby Vinton Christmas. But I'm just playing diads. So this became or